news coming in, inputs coming in out of Mumbai. Riaz claims that Sushant's relations with his family weren't good, has fallen flat yet again. Family sources reveal that Sushant spoke to his father thrice in the last 2 months of his life. Last two calls were on the 19th of May 2020. Sushant, according to the family, also used to deposit around 25 to 30k per month in his father's account without fail. Now, this money he used to send to his father for his father's monthly basic expenses. So let's quickly go across now to my colleagues Priyank and Siddharth joining us now on the broadcast. Priyank, now family sources have revealed that the claim made by Ria initially in the investigation that Sushant's relationship with his father perhaps was stained has no real basis, given the fact he used to send money to his father regularly and used to speak to him quite regularly as well.
Yeah, and this we have been saying since long, that Team Ria, whenever they came out and stated that there was no good relationship in between Sushant and his father, everything was denied, not only on the basis of the family members, but all these electronic evidences were also clearly suggestive of the fact that whatever she was saying does not stand true. If you talk about what was happening in the family. The fact of the matter is that whenever Sushant wanted to contact his family member, there was a big hurdle which was supposedly created with the Ria Chakrabarti. Then we saw that vague claims from her side also came up, where she stated that Priyanka, sister of Sushant, wanted to distance Ria Chakrabarti with him. So these call record clearly states that what Ria had been claiming, that Sushant was not at all in the mood to call his father, and the relationship in between Sushant and his father were not good, is certainly not truth. Initially, when we started investigating this case, I spoke to KK Singh, and he said that Sushant used to talk to me when I was the one who told him that he should get married to any girl to whom he would like to. So these kind of claim by Ria Chakrabarti and Camp Ria has once again been denied by the family.
There you go, yet another claim falling flat. According to the family, however, this is what they're saying. Siddhant, yet again, one of the initial versions that Ria presented seems to be falling a bit short of the yardstick of reality, given the fact that the family claims that not only did Sushant deposit money for his father's basic monthly expenses, but also they were in touch, both Sushant and his father. And the last call made, of course, was in March, just a couple of months before Sushant's unfortunate death. Siddhant, can you hear me?
Was that question to me, Athar?
Yes, Siddhant.
Yes, Athar. Yes, absolutely right. Yes, absolutely right, Athar. As Priyank was mentioning that he was in touch with his father, and there were CDR also to prove that fact. Not just that, Athar, I have been confirmed by one of Sushant's friend also and accountant Rajat Mewati. They both have told me that every month, it was a clear instruction from Sushant that every month, no matter what, 25 to 30k were being deposited in Sushant's father KK Singh's account for his basic monthly expenditure, and this was a clear instruction to whoever handling Sushant's account. So that was a kind of a relation and a bond that a father and son used to have. They were in touch. Even Sushant used to send money also for his father. He used to live in Patna, and he had given a clear instruction that no matter what, this money should go on the first day of the month. So that was Sushant's instruction. Despite that, if someone questions the relationship between the father and the son, or Ria Chakrabarti speaking to a friendly channel saying that he was not in a great relation with his father, so all these things falls flat, because we have enough proofs to put this out that Sushant was in touch with his father. At the same time, he used to send money also for his father. Usually Sushant was very busy in his life. He barely had time for anyone. But making these claims and and saying that he was not happy with his father or he was not in touch with his father is something which is absolutely wrong. If that had been a case, then why would Sushant be sending money to his father every month? Why was he in touch with his father, and he spoke
in fact,
to him
just
twice.
to confirm, Siddhant, to our viewers, that we do have access to the call data records. And just a small correction, initially I mentioned it was 19th March 2020 when Sushant spoke last to his father. It wasn't 19th March, it was 19th of May, merely weeks before Sushant unfortunately passed away. My oversight. I apologize for that. Hopefully that puts it on record. It was 19th of May 2020 when Sushant last spoke to his father, and he spoke to him thrice in the last 2 months of his life. Going back to Priyank and Siddhant on this. Priyank, the access to the CDR records, of course, proves beyond a shadow of a doubt that not only was Sushant calling his father, he took in fact all steps to make sure that his father received the basic expense account which shows a son's love towards his father. Mohit Sharma also joins the broadcast on this. Mohit, let me just reiterate one more time what we know for our viewers right now. We have access to call data records which prove beyond a shadow of a doubt that not only was Sushant Singh Rajput in touch with his father, he spoke to him thrice in the last 2 months, the last time being the 19th of May 2020, unfortunately a few weeks before he passed away.
Well, absolutely. Arthur, there had been wide range speculations that all was not well in the Rajput family, and that's precisely the reason why he was driven to take the step that he did. But clearly, that has not been the case. Our investigation also very clearly showcases that he was very well in touch with them. In fact, he was really close to his sisters. He was speaking to his father as well. So it does seem that the theory which was being floated that in fact he was completely sidelined from his own family, or for that matter all was not well in their own family members, with his own family members not talking to him, speaking to him, or for that matter there was some dispute in the family.
Because I'm being told we're getting the inside track